What is up, everybody? Welcome back to TunerThings. So I am here in my messy ass garage with my hunk of junk Civic. I'm about to get started with my build here, and I wanted to check in with you guys on a few things. So there are a lot of new subscribers that have seen my posts about the Honda build challenge. I guess, man, looks like Young Static is almost finished with his, and I don't know where anybody else is on theirs, but yeah, I'm about to start on my budget build. It doesn't really conform to their rules because I'm rocking VTEC, and that's my plan to hold me through the end of this year. I'll probably jump into the next YouTube challenge as far as builds go, but for this one, I'm going to be taking my D16 Y8. I'm just going to boost it for now, and we're going to work the kinks out of the chassis, get suspension handled, stuff like that, find an exhaust that I like. So this is meant to be strictly a drag car. I'm going to be gutting the interior with the exception of the dashboard and the front two seats. Everything else is going to go. I'm going to be preparing for a cage, which I'm going to be purchasing around Christmas time. Around that same time, I'm either going to be going K series or B series, like I said, and both will be boosted. I'd like to be all-wheel drive as well, but we're going to start with the D16 and just kind of familiarize myself with the Honda world a little bit, as I am a Subaru transplant. So anyway, today I just need a little bit more light, so what I'm going to be focusing on is installing. I have an LED shop light that I'm going to be hanging up over the engine bay area, and I'm going to take the hood off and then hopefully get cracking on the car. So, all right. That's enough talking, time to get to it. All right, there it is, boom, let there be light. Hell yeah, perfect. That's a wonderful amount of light in here. Awesome. So I'm gonna get this hood taken off and get this engine bay, all this crap cleaned out of here. Hell yeah. Alrighty, y'all, I got the hood torn off, lights hung. Gonna start tearing into this thing next. Got electrical tape and shit all over the place. Just dirty and corroded. Oh, those bolts are gonna be a nightmare down there. So I'm gonna hit this with some PB Blaster and call it a day. So like, comment, and subscribe. Tomorrow I am going to start tearing into this engine, try and at least get the turbo mounted, and possibly get some intercooler piping done. Hell yeah. Alright guys, check in with you all tomorrow. Peace.